Hey guys, Bigfoot here. Today, giant birdhouse challenge, my biggest build yet. Precision is sexy, people. Okay, maybe a little wiggle.
Teamwork makes the dream work. And look at that, Peck and Paw here is actually helping straighten the nail. Who needs a level when you've got friends?
Whoa, wild card weather. Nature's testing my engineering.
No, my masterpiece. Well, that escalated.
Who needs nails when you have nature? Fixed level, expert-ish.
Behold, bird luxury, now with extra character. Rate, comment, and adopt a bird.
Bigfoot,
I watched your whole build.
best fan ever. See you next wild build, Dung. Stay curious.